morning, students. In previous class I completed question number 18. So now we will start question number 19 onwards. As given that 3 tan square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 tan square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of cos 2 theta, where theta is acute angle. As this implies, so very simple. So first find the value of 3 tan square theta is equal to 1. You send this one here. Therefore, tan square theta is equal to 1 divided by 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to root of 1 divided by 3. Therefore, the value of tan theta is equal to root of 1 divided by root 3. Now, 1 by root 3 you write in terms of tan. For what value of tan theta is equal to 1 divided by root 3. So 1 divided by root 3 can be written as tan 30 degree. Therefore, I told you, just keep in your mind, theta and tan gets cancels. The value of theta is equal to 30 degree. Yes. Now consider cos 2 theta, cos 2 into theta, so cos 2 into 30 degrees. So this implies cos 60 degrees. The value of cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 divided by 2. Yes. What is the value of cos 2 theta? Theta value 30 degree. Cos 2 theta, that is cos 2 into 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees. The value of cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 divided by 2. Yes, this is about question number 19. Yes. Let's see question number 20. If sin x plus cos y, question number 20, if sin x plus cos y is equal to 1, comma, x is equal to 30 degree, y is acute, find the value of y. Let's find the value of y. So y is acute angle. That's very simple. Replace x value. So sin the value of x is equal to 30 degree plus cos y, keep as it is equal to 1. So this implies the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus cos y is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of cos y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of cos y is equal to, take LCM, 2 is the LCM, here 2 minus 1, which implies cos y is equal to 1 divided by 2. Therefore, cos y is equal to 1 by 2. Write in terms of cos, as cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos gets cancels. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 60 degrees. What is the condition here? Y is acute. So this is less than 90 degree. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 60 degrees. Yes, this is about question number 20. So simple. Next, let's see question number 21. If sin of a plus b, if sin of a plus b is equal to root 3 divided by 2, this is also same as cos of a minus b. Sin of a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2 is also same as cos of a minus b. The question is find a and b. The question is find the values of a and b. Yes, very simple. Yes. So middle term is equivalent to both first and last term. Let's consider one by one. Sine of a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2. This is first case. So another case, cos of a minus b is equal to root 3 by 2. From these two relations, find the equations. You will get the pair of linear equations in two variables. Two variables are a and b. Then solve by using elimination method. Then we will get the values of a and b. As usual again, sine of a plus b root 3 by 2 can be written as sine 60 degree. So sine gets cancels. So this implies the value of a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. So this one, call it as 1. So a and b are variables in the equation. Next, similarly, so cos of a minus b root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So this implies cos gets cancels. So the value of a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So this one, call it as equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, as from 1 and 2, a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Second one, a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Let's solve these two. Very simple. Add these two equations. So plus b minus b gets cancels. A plus a is equal to 2a. 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 90 degree by 2. Therefore, the value of a is equal to 45 degrees. Let's replace a is equal to 45 in any one of these two equations, any one. So I will replace a value 45 in the equation first one. So 45 degrees plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 60 degrees minus 45. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 15 degrees. So these are the required angles. A value 45 degrees and the value of b is equal to 15 degrees. Yes, please note down. Yes. Let's see question number 22. If the length of each side of a rhombus, yes, draw rhombus. Yes, before going to start, first remember the very important properties of a rhombus. All four sides are equal. So A, B, C, D. Draw AC and BD diagonals. Again, property and diagonals. Diagonals are intersect or bisect each other at perpendicularly or right angles. So all four sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So this length is given. Let's write down, which implies, so AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to length of each side 8 centimeters. Next, its one angle is 60 degree, any one angle. So here 90 degree. So any one you take, any one. So here also 90 degree. Any one you take. Here I will take angle B is angle A is equal to 60 degree. Yes, better you take this one, 60 degree. Complete A and complete A angle, not BAO, complete BAD, and angle BAD is equal to 60 degrees. Yes, the question is find the length of the diagonals. So we should find the value of AC and the value of length of AC and BD you have to calculate. Yes, this is the given question. First try to understand the given question. So ABCD is a rhombus, all four sides are equal, length of the each side is given 8 centimeters, and very important, diagonals are bisect each other at right angles. Yes, here 90 degree, all four sides of angle O 90 degree, and one angle is given, that A is equal to BAD is equal to 90 degree. So complete problem depend upon this one. Again, one more property of diagonal. So this AC diagonal bisect, as AC bisect angle BAD. Yes, this is also one of the very important property. So which means that as angle BAO is equal to angle DAO is equal to half of, that is BAD divided by 2, that is equal to 60 degree divided by 2. So both are equal to 30 degree. Yes, what about this length? 30 degree. What about this length? 30 degree. Yes, the question is find the lengths of the diagonals. So AO we should find, say AO is same as OC, therefore AC can be written as AO plus OC. Similarly, so we cannot find BD directly, first we find BO. So BO is same as OD plus BD is equal to BO plus OD. Okay, na? Right. In right angle triangles, or in triangle, as BAO. So this is hypotenuse. What about this one? 30 degree. So what about this one? Opposite. So what about this? Base. So this one. So this length given. Okay, na? Right. Consider any one. So this is A. What about this length? O. We should find the base value. Okay, na? Or BO value. So opposite divided by hypotenuse. As sine A is equal to, first you write opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite means BO, hypotenuse, that is 8. So which implies sine, what is the value of A? 30 degree is equal to BO or OB divided by 8. The value of sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to OB divided by 8. Therefore OB is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Therefore, yes, OB is same as OD is equal to 4 centimeters. This is very important. Diagonals are bisect each other at right angles. Therefore, so BD is equal to BO plus OD. So therefore, BD is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Length of the diagonal BD is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. So the complete problems depend upon the properties. Similarly, find next diagonal, that is AC. Yes, next diagonal. Second one. So how can you find AC? AC we cannot find directly. So first you can find the value of AO. AO is same as OC. Next, consider triangle here. AOB. A is equal to 30 degree. O is equal to 90 degree. What about this length? As 60 degrees. Just in triangle, in right angle triangle, yes, okay, right, no problem. In right angle triangle, AOB, comma, yes, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Next, angle BAO is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, no doubt, the value of ABO is equal to 60 degrees. Again, from this, apply trigonometric ratio, that is sine 60 degrees is equal to, so this time opposite, that is, let's first write ratio, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite AO, hypotenuse, that is AP. Okay, right. Sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 divided by 2. AO value we don't know. AB value, that is diagonal 8. Therefore, AO is equal to 8 into root 3 divided by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Therefore, the value of AO is equal to 4 root 3, which is same as CO. Again by using property. Therefore, finally find the length of the AC. Therefore, AC is equal to AO plus CO. Therefore, AC is equal to 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Therefore, the length of the diagonal AC is equal to 8 root 3 centimeter. This is the required length of the diagonal, that is AC. So earlier on what we got, that is BD is equal to 8 centimeter. Yes, this is about question number 22. Okay, I shall continue in the next video class. Thank you.